In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple picnic bench for the yard. Let's get right to it. This project will require 11 2x4s that you can pick up at any big box store or lumberyard. To begin with, I'll measure out and cut each piece to length using the circular saw. I'll leave all these dimensions in the description below. For the legs, I'll measure a 60-degree angle on both ends using the speed square. This will sit the legs flat on the ground and accommodate the table boards on top. A little filing with the rasp will clean up the ends nicely. I'll lay out the pieces to align them where I want, before securing them together with 2-inch screws. The height of your seat can be determined and adjusted at this stage. A typical measurement is anywhere between 16 and 19 inches. To attach the top and seats, I'll prop the A-frames against the garage while I measure out the center spot. Next, I'll screw down the middle board on both sides. For the remaining boards, I'll use nails as spacers to leave small gaps for any rain to flow through. This wood is pressure treated in order to withstand the weather, but leaving spaces between them is still a good idea. The sitting boards will be attached in a similar manner as the top boards. On the underside of the table, I'll attach a center board for added stability. I'll also secure 2 angled brace boards, cut at 55-degree angles on the ends to really solidify the bench and protect it from any lateral stresses. All of these corner areas will be cut at 45-degree angles, leaving 1 inch on the ends. Now, the keen viewer will be asking why I didn't just cut these angles with the circular saw at the beginning. Well, to be honest, it was an oversight. Sometimes you just have to adjust the game plan late in the fourth quarter. For all the hard exposed edges, I'll round them over with the router. To finish up the project, I'll file down any rough spots that remain. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.